Did you know? Fixing duplicate H1 tags could boost your SEO rankings by 30%, a service that typically costs $99. Today, we're giving you this pro solution free. You'll encounter 4 common scenarios. We'll show you how to handle them all in under 3 minutes. Let's begin. Scenario 1. Identify problem pages. 1. In your SEO checker tool, go to On-Page SEO Scan page. Check the report for multiple H1 tags found warnings. Example, if a product page has excess H1, click Fix Now. Scenario 2. Modify H1 in source code. 1. Enter edit mode, click Optimize content, open the page source code. 2. Find and fix H1 tags. Open the source code, press Ctrl+F to search for H1. Change non-primary titles from H1 angryface/H1 to H2 angryface/H2, save changes and refresh the page. Three. Verify fix. Rescan the page, confirm the H1 warning disappears. Success, status turns green, fixed. Scenario 3. Check liquid template files. If H1 isn't in source code, the issue may be in your theme's liquid templates. 1. Get access. Request store access from the site admin. 2. Locate and edit templates. Go to theme code, find the reported template. Example, change extra H1 tags to H2. Three. Save and rescan all pages. Scenario 4. Handle page builders. For Pagefly/Gempage pages, adjust headings manually in the page editor. 1. In the page builder, review all sections, ensure only one H1 main title exists. 2. SEO tips. Primary title equals H1, subheadings equals H2/H3. Need further help? Contact our team, free support. Thanks for watching. Here's to cleaner code and higher rankings.